In today's video, we're gonna replace the remote key fob battery in a 2023 Kia Sportage. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here that we're gonna push, and then we can pull the emergency key out. Now, if we look at the remote, it has this line right here that goes through the middle of it. That's where we're gonna split this remote in half. And to do that, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna need to stick this in here kind of like that, and you're gonna pry this guy up. It's gonna be really, really hard. A lot of these remotes are pretty stiff, okay? So when you go to do it, but if you look here, this is how I'm doing it. And we're gonna go around, kind of pop this guy up. All right. Let me get the cover off. There's our battery. Pull this out, make it a little easier. We're gonna pull the rubber seal down. Push the battery out, side like this. And I'll show you what size battery we have. We have a CR2032 with the positive sign facing up. It just slides into the fob chip, just like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. There'll be a link for a new Panasonic battery. For Amazon, if you need one, let me just stick this back in here. If you look at it, it's just a little button. Don't lose this guy here. Put it back in here. And everything just pushes back together. This remote, again, is really tight. Alright, so once you get it all put back together, emergency kit goes in. If it goes in and unlocks, you're good to go. And hopefully that helps you out. And drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you again in another video.